Well, we're still in the waning days of meteorological summer coming up at the end of the month, but we're still in a very tropical weather pattern. We did get a little bit of a break from the humidity today, but that's surging back here starting tomorrow. 13 weather ball is also blinking bright for perhaps, if we get a thunderstorm, some tropical downpours in sight. It's also red, even warmer weather ahead, along with that higher humidity. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Highs today made it to low to mid 80s. Average high is 80. Last year we were actually a couple of degrees warmer, and we'll be warmer than that tomorrow. We almost made another bullseye here today. We forecast 86 and it was 85. Nonetheless, 11 days in a row within 3 degrees of our forecast high. We're running about 1.5 degrees above average through the 23rd of the month, but we haven't seen any rain since August 11th, so we could use a little bit, and we as a result have about 1/2 inch less than usual, and sunshine a little more than usual by about 5.5%. And speaking of precipitation, because of a wet June and sometimes earlier this month, we're running about 4 3/4 ahead for rainfall, but about 1 3/4 behind for the year. And you can see we have never gotten above average in terms of our rainfall. Maybe back on January 1 and 2, but that brown area shows that we have been below average ever since. Right now, temperatures are in the low 80s. We've fallen back to 80 at the lakeshore. Dew points, however, dropped down into the low and mid 60s. They're starting to stabilize, but even since yesterday, we've been about 5 to as much as 10 degrees drier, but we're going to be 5 to 10 degrees higher here during the day tomorrow. Upper level winds continue to come out of the west and southwest, so that's going to keep us warm and humid for the next several days right on through the weekend. We'll get a daily chance of some air mass thunderstorms coming through, but really no change into our overall weather pattern until perhaps in the first week to 10 days of September. Maybe an afternoon thunderstorm coming in late in the day, Ludington and up in Hart. Otherwise, partly cloudy skies with mid 80s, higher dew points as well. Perhaps a late afternoon or early evening storm coming down from the north and west. Highs will be in the mid 80s here, and here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we may not see any thunderstorms until tomorrow night. Upper 80s to maybe 90 in Kalamazoo. 13 on your side forecast. Chance of another afternoon shower and thunderstorm through Thursday night, and that may continue into Friday and Friday evening, affecting high school football games. We'll have to wait and see. Very humid over the weekend, and then finally a little bit more seasonable weather Monday through Thursday of the following week.